Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A30 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While taking out the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint button is attached to the back cover. Hold the fingerprint button and gently pull out the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the broken camera lens glass from the back cover. There are 3 parts available for this repair. Camera lens with the frame, only the camera lens glass, and the back cover with camera lens installed. Select the preferred replacement part and follow the specific repair steps. For the first method, apply heat to soften the glue on the lens from the front side. And once the heating has done, slightly put pressure from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place the new lens on the frame by adding adhesive. For the second method, apply the heat from the rear side to soften the glue on the lens frame. Once the heating completes, slightly push the lens from the front side. Now you can take out the broken lens with the frame. Next, place the new lens with the frame by adding adhesive. The other method is installing the back cover with camera lens installed. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.